If biology teachers told their students about these animals and their crazy habits, no one would ever skip class again. Red Rat Society gathered 10 unbelievable facts about the animal world that would stun even scientists. After watching this video about animals, you'll realize how diverse and amazing they really are. But before we get into all the details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications now, so you won't miss a thing. Number 1. Alcohol helps fish survive severe winters. When goldfish feel frost coming on, their bodies produce ethanol. Special proteins in the fish turn lactic acid into alcohol. The high ethanol concentration keeps the fish's thin cell membranes from bursting, even when frozen in ice waiting to thaw. Number 2. Komodo dragons are very weak. Despite their menacing look and the fact that they're the largest lizard on the planet, the Komodo dragon actually has a bite weaker than a house cat's. And if this raptor wants to bite someone, it's likely to damage its own jaw or skull. However, this giant wuss of a dragon is still dangerous since it hunts with the help of its poisonous saliva. Number 3. A frog that completely freezes itself. The Alaskan wood frog literally freezes for 6 to 7 months at a time. When the frost comes and covers the frog's body with ice, its lungs and heart stop working, and its blood stops circulating. The frog has a cryoprotectant mechanism, reducing the freezing point of the blood and other biological fluids that help it survive during such freezing. As soon as the spring comes, the frog wakes up again and continues to thrive. Number 4. Sparrowhawks set grass on fire to force rodents out of their holes. Believe it or not, some birds may be responsible for spreading wildfires. In Australia, zoologists have witnessed sparrowhawks and other birds of prey carrying burning sticks in their talons and throwing them onto dry grass. Doing this causes grass fires, forcing their prey to come out of hiding. Number 5. One species of jellyfish is immortal. It can revert back to its child state after having become sexually mature and therefore never dies. To date, there's only one species that has been called biologically immortal, the jellyfish Turritopsis dohrnii. These small, transparent animals hang out in oceans around the world and can turn back time by reverting to an earlier stage of their life cycle. Number 6. Elephants have a specific alarm call that means human. African elephants make a specific alarm call in response to the danger of humans, according to a new study of wild elephants in Kenya. Researchers carried out a series of audio experiments in which recordings of the voices of the Samburu, a local tribe from North Kenya, were played to resting elephants. Number 7. Animals with smaller bodies and faster metabolism such as chipmunks and squirrels see in slow motion. According to the TCD researchers, animals with smaller bodies and higher metabolic rates have a higher rate, with the inverse also being true. In other words, a fly, or another small animal like a squirrel, essentially perceives the world like a human perceives footage from a high-speed camera. Number 8. The now extinct colossal penguin stood as tall as 2.03 meters basketball legend LeBron James. The largest penguin species ever discovered has been unearthed in Antarctica, and its size is almost incomprehensible. Standing at 6 foot 8 inches from toe to beak tip, the mountainous bird would have dwarfed most adult humans, reports The Guardian. In fact, if it were alive today, the penguin could have looked basketball superstar LeBron James square in the eyes. Number 9. Zebra's stripes don't serve as camouflage. Much to their dismay, scientists found out that zebras' black and white stripes aren't used for camouflage, but instead serve as a tool to fight off tsetse flies and horseflies. The narrow stripes on zebras' bodies are unattractive to insects because the light waves that reflect off the animal's skin. Number 10. At birth, a panda is smaller than a mouse and weighs about 4 ounces. The panda mother gives great care to her tiny cub, usually cradling it in one paw and holding it close to her chest. For several days after birth, the mother does not leave the den, not even to eat or drink. Do you love animals? Do you have any pets? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a like and click subscribe to support the Red Rat Society.